we've moved along to the other side. Go and have a look at this end. There's not much happening. I can see a bit of the pontoon stuck over there near that ferry terminal thing. I'm not sure if this one looks intact over here. Got a bird's eye view from those apartments. So the Felons Brewing was open before, earlier today when I put the TV on. I can't see anyone out there. They must have shut it down. Right, so we will head out onto this, not sure what you call it. Not sure if this was one of the ferry terminal or not. Could have been. So we've got a bit of a view here. Right, so we've got a tugboat finally coming up. But all the big shit's already floated down into the bay. So there's not much more that they can pull out from up at this end. Get a look at this tugboat. Todd Kills Marine to the rescue. I don't know who's going to rescue. Sure he'll find some junk somewhere. Call that a take for now.